Am I live? Am I live? Oh, I should turn some lights on, I guess. Lights on. Okay, here we go. Windows, comments, and reactions. I think you guys might have to allow eCam. Not sure. You'll figure it out. I think there should be a link under the thing. All right. I think that's it. I don't know. I'm not good at going live. All right, so Shorts AI has just launched, guys, and I've added some extra bonuses. So I'm going to show you guys that. What else do we have? I think that's it. Anyways, it's blowing up on YouTube. My one YouTube channel. I put up a couple. Here's a trick, guys. If you're in the Facebook group, make sure you comment below whether you're watching it live or replay. Here's a really cool trick: is do 2 review videos. If there's a demo reel, do just like whatever the product is. Like I did ShortsAI Demo. Just do like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds talking at the beginning of it, and then play the demo video. I can show you guys how to do that. If you don't know how to do it, I can show you how to do it. It's really, really simple. You can download the video, or you can just go to the web browser and just play the video, mute yourself so that there's no echo. And it's a great way. And then you can put in the comments of your YouTube video, say, see my full review, and then have that link to your full review. Okay, this is if you're doing launch jacking, which if you're an affiliate marketer, you should be doing launch jacking. You should be doing launch jacking is one of the main things you should be doing. Buying solo ads, all that stuff is great. But if you want really targeted people to get to products and have the products not be refunded or anything, this is a great way to do it, is you want to do launch checking. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys, let's go over here. Oh, it's a white screen. I don't want that. I want that. Okay, so we're adding these bonuses, guys. Can you see me? Where's my camera? Oh, yeah, there. So social traffic automations being added, 2000 YouTube marketing guide, iGram, Instagram machine, instant automatic marketing tool, and video sauce, getvideosauce.com. That's being added on top of my bonuses, guys. I put together a new program here for you guys. The affiliate money machine, done for you, business in a box. You're getting that. You're getting how to do affiliate marketing when you're flat broke. You're getting the live streaming video profits, effective content marketing, and all the vendor bonuses, which is what I just showed you on the bonus page. So here's what's happening, guys. This is my Shorts AI demo. 143 views. I just put this up last night. It's getting a ton of views. There's 110 people on my channel right now watching. And my channel, guys, this is the thing about launch jacking and about short video and stuff. You don't need a ton of views. Guys, I could show you what was the sale this morning. I did I got a sale for 100K. What came in? This is just one I just threw a video up. Sale. I didn't do videos. Where's the video? Where plus sale? Yeah, 3:17 a.m. guys. I earned $17.91 from 100K LP unlimited. So that's, I'm not doing anything. That was a video I put up. So the video, and I think the videos only had like 30 views or something like that. So that is the power of video, and short video is where the money is. So if you haven't watched the video, let's do it here, but you can go to my YouTube channel. If you don't know where my YouTube channel is, go in the Facebook group here. You'll see multiple videos going to my Facebook channel. But let's just play this so you can watch exactly how it works. Definitely want you to go over to YouTube and check it out. If you want me to give you the link, just message me directly and I'll give you the direct YouTube link, but it is in the group here. All right, let's just watch this, how he does it, because this is amazing, guys. It writes the script for you. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Demo where I'll show you the power of ShortsAI. Right, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the AI prompter, which is part of ShortsAI. Here are our campaigns listed here. You can see they're listed here with our options to change them. We're going to create a new one by clicking on the plus. Type in our campaign name. Here's our title, Why Short Videos Are Important for Businesses. Then you click on Create Campaign. Then we're going to type in our idea that the AI will then use to generate our script. And there is our idea. Short videos are important to businesses because they are trending right now and because people are buying because of shorts. And then we click on Generate AI Script. And now we have our script. And here's what it says. Shorts are an effective way to engage with customers, build brand awareness, and promote products and services. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. And then we're going to save that. Campaign script updated successfully. And then we hop back out, come back to our campaigns. And now you see we have our why short videos are important for businesses. And at this point, we will record our video. So what it's doing now is loading my camera, and as you can see on the screen is the script that we just wrote. So then to record that, I click on record. Now it's recording it, and then I start the script. I can adjust the speed of it, and I can read it as it's coming through. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. Now we're done. Now one of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds. Edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. So I'm going to pause again here. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. So we click on Finish. So now what it's doing is it's detecting silence from the video. We can adjust the minimum time.
Sorry guys, I just want to talk about this for a second. I did this last night on my phone, and it tightened it up. It actually tightened it up better than his. I don't have a lot of pauses. I tend to speak fast, and my stream of speech just kind of goes. But I was following the script, and I could read it just at a really good pace, so I didn't have a lot of silences. But when it did clip out a couple of the little silent spots, it made a way better cut than this demo did. I wish I could show you from my phone because it's on here. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. It's on my phone, so it's like I'll have to post it up, and then you can see that like it really did a great job on really clipping that tighter than his. Okay, let me go back to this.
We want our silence to be as we scroll through here. The red is the silences it pulled out. Here's that silence there. Here's another silence, and here's the long silence towards the end. I can apply the changes, and it'll remove it and give us that punchy quality video that people expect with shorts. And then we click on Next. You removed your unwanted. Do you want to continue to export your video? Yes. Continue. Digestible way. Now we're done. And one of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds. It stopped the recording and edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. I'm going to pause again here. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. And that's how it works. So we want to publish, save it, and campaign video uploaded successfully. And then we can publish, which then we can connect it to our Facebook, YouTube, or to another app. That's how simple it is. Now, sharing it to YouTube, click on YouTube. Video successfully added to YouTube. And then if we return back, and there we are back at our campaigns. Now this can be completely done on the website as well using your webcam. Here I am on the website for ShortsAI. The app is called AI Prompter. And click in here to log in with the credentials that you receive after you make your purchase. Once you've logged in, you'll see here's the video that we just created on my phone. I can come in here and preview it. It's recording it, and then I start the script. I can adjust. We can also publish it from here, seeing the same options we saw before. Copy it and use it directly as a link, or we can actually record one right here. And it will turn on my webcam to record it from here. I can edit the script. This is the script that we used. I can create a brand new one by simply clicking on Create New Campaign, as we did on the phone. So whether you have an Android phone, an iOS phone, or want to simply use it from any computer, Windows or Mac, you're able to use ShortsAI to grow your online business using the power of short video.
All right, so that's it, guys. So that is that's basically the demo. Now the bundle they're putting together here, it's right here. So right now, because it's launching, it just launched this morning. You can get $1,500 worth. You get the whole friggin' suite for $247 right now. So if you want that, plus all my bonuses, plus I will help you set it up. You want to get on Skype with me? You pick this up. You pick up the bonus. We'll get on Skype together and we'll go through it and make sure that you're doing it. Because what's cool is in the bundle. If you don't want to be on screen, guys, you get the faceless upgrade, which is basically a complete tutorial, but you can make videos without your face being on there. You also get the unlimited. You also get the video storage with the bundle. So you definitely want to get that. Now, if you want the bundle, make sure you DM me and I will send you the link for the bundle. It's also on my YouTube review, which is below. I'll put a comment down below so you can go to the my full YouTube review of this. And you can pick it up. Now, the other thing is, because you're in affiliate profit pages here, guys, if you want to use my bonus page, you're welcome to it. You can just say, I want to use your bonus page, Glenn. And then what I'll do is I'll give you the import code and I'll show you how to set that up. We can jump on a Skype call and we can get that set up for you. But guys, if hang on a second, let me go back here. There we go. So if you're not doing videos, guys, you need to start doing videos. And you don't have to be on video. You don't have to be on video. You don't have to be a great speaker. You don't, like, this thing writes the script for you. So you don't have to worry about that. It's doing all the work for you. You don't know what you're going to talk about. You just say, hey, I want to talk about dog training. Boom. It writes a script. Hey, I want to talk about weight loss. Boom, it writes a script. Hey, I want to talk about horoscopes. I want to talk about, weightlifting. Whatever you're promoting. If you're promoting I don't know, virus detection software, whatever it is, VPN, whatever it is, you just write a little script and then you do a short video and get it up there, get it onto TikTok, get it onto Instagram, get it onto YouTube. Like, you can get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of views. These companies want content, because the more content that they can have on their platform, more people will watch it, more people are on their platform, more they can advertise to those people. They can get more information about those people to advertise to them. That is the whole point of it, right? We create content to sell our affiliate products. The companies that promote our short videos or our content are using that data in order to supply it to advertisers, so advertisers can sell to them. It's actually a what's it called when a whole thing works together, like symbiosis, whatever it is, you know what I mean, like everything works together, right? Like, people are like, oh, I don't want to give my information for this. I don't care if someone wants to market to me, because we're building a new fence, I looked up fence posts, and if I get things from Home Depot, or we have Roan up here, or Lowe's, I don't care, because I'm looking for that, right? That's fine. Take that information, because I get advertising from stuff I'm not interested in. I'm like, I don't want that. Why are you sending me that? Send me stuff that I'm actually interested in looking at, because it saves me time. Advertise what I'm looking for. So when we create content, right? So let's just do a quick example here. We're selling a dog training book from ClickBank, right? And whatever it is. So we're gonna make short videos. Maybe we're gonna every day we're gonna make a short video on a tip, right? Like how to get your dog to fetch, how to get your dog to shake a hand. And it's just a short video. Hey, if you want to get your dog to shake a hand, you don't even have to be on there. You get a stock picture of a dog, and you just talk over it, right? You can even have an AI voice do it for you. You talk over it, do that, And then you say go to my bio, like you could create a new TikTok account or a new Instagram account or a new Facebook or a new whatever page. Go there and then you put the link in the bio or you put the link in your information to go get that book, right? So you point everyone back to your bio and you put and just that's how you do it. Simple, simple, simple. And so short videos, people are looking for how to teach their dog how to shake hands. If they're looking for how to get their dog to shake hands, they're probably looking for other stuff for that dog. Now, other big advertisers can take that information and go, oh great, this person's looking for a dog. I'm going to show them dog food. I'm going to show them dog collars. I'm going to show them dog mats. I'm going to show them dog brushes. So it all works together. That's what the person wants to be advertised to. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If you're watching this on Facebook, of course, you're in my group here. Grab this. Definitely you want to grab it. If I'm going to throw this up onto YouTube, if you're watching this on YouTube, you really want to get onto my list, get onto my Facebook group. I do trainings like this in my Facebook group all the time, and you'll be wanting to be part of that sort of world where you get all these little. I do a lot of work for you, basically. Hit subscribe button. Make sure you pick up ShortsAI, and I will see you on the next one. How do I quit this? There we go. All right, guys. Cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.